What is Unicode in Java? Unicode is a universal way of understanding languages or different language. Basically, Unicode is like the whole dictionary of all possible languages that we have for any word or characters that is out there. So it can be used in Latin, simple Latin English words. You can find it, or you can use it as Unicode for example, Hindi. This symbol, for example, or this omega symbol, or this smiley face. Each one of them is kind of has different this Unicode. So this is a lower limit, this is the upper limit for the single Unicode, and for every character in Java, it's like a 2 byte. So this is basically the at most, which is our 2 byte which have here. So yeah, if we try to run this application, we have this four characters that we have. Then we have string, which amazingly have this kind of handling everything from relating to this kind of Unicode into a single string internally without really needing us to make anything explicitly. And if you have noticed that the upper limit we have is 2 byte, here is like 4 FS0, which is basically the highest, and 4 zeros, which is the first. But we can have multiple Unicodes as well. So basically, the combination of two is just one Unicode representing this emoji. So for this emoji, we have this one here. Its length is 2, but we only see 1. Why? Because the length for us is like a 2 characters, not 1 character, it's 2 characters, but it represents one face only. So the code point count here, which is the unique, like the actual like Unicode for this, which is this one, is a smiley face representing 1, which is one logical face basically. This is some demonstrations to explain, like the Unicode of A is this one, and then we're gonna be getting this Unicode, which is this one here, and then we're gonna be having the final Unicode here, which is in our case will be U plus 42, which is right the letter which is after A directly. So basically this is the idea. I think this one should be this yeah, kind of U plus 1F plus 600, not 603. So yeah, but this basically is just simple mistake from my side. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed it.